Buongiorno, ciao tutti! We are going to be looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of the most famous, the most prestigious and the most glamorous luxury and fashion brands from Italy. Names so many mispronounce and say approximately, despite claiming some of them to be their favorite label. And we are going to go from A to Z here, starting with this luxury fashion house founded by Giorgio Armani himself, which designs, manufactures, distributes and retails haute couture, ready-to-wear, leather goods, shoes, watches, jewelry, accessories, eyewear, cosmetics and home interiors. Giorgio Armani. You do want to stress on the A syllable, the middle syllable of Armani. It'd be fine in English to say Giorgio Armani. Giorgio Armani. Next up, this house founded in 1966 in Vicenza, Veneto. Its atelier is located within an 18th century villa in Montebello Vicentino and its headquarters are in Lugano, Switzerland. Bottega Veneta. Bottega Veneta. Founded in 1885, it's not that old, in Legnano by Italian designers Domenico Dolce and Stefano Gabbana, the two men met in Milan in 1980 and designed for the same fashion house at the time. In 1982, they established a designer consulting studio. In time, it grew to become Dolce e Gabbana. Dolce e Gabbana. It'd be fine to say Dolce and Gabbana, but do stress on the middle syllable again of Gabbana. Dolce e Gabbana. Known for its jewelry, watches, fragrances, accessories and leather goods, while the majority of design, production and marketing is overseen and executed by Bulgari, the company does at times partner with other entities. How is it pronounced? Bulgari. Of course, the brand is often spelt with a V, but it is to be pronounced like a U. Bulgari. Bulgari, but it'd be fine to say Bulgari. Bulgari. Next up, a more popular and accessible brand, a sportswear manufacturer that designs shoes and apparel founded by Ettore and Giansevero Fila in 1911. This one is old. It was founded in Biella, in the Piedmont, in the north of Italy. How do you go about pronouncing it? Of course, it's not Fila, but rather Fila. Fila. And this is certainly an Italian luxury goods company with headquarters in Florence, in the heart of Tuscany, Italy. It specializes in shoes, leather goods, Swiss-made timepieces and ready-to-wear for men and women. Salvatore Ferragamo. Salvatore Ferragamo. It'd be fine in English to say Salvatore Ferragamo. Salvatore Ferragamo, or in Italian Salvatore Ferragamo. And you've been waiting to hear how this one is pronounced. You probably do already know how it is pronounced. Luxury brand of fashion and leather goods mainly, but they do all sorts of things as well. Gucci was founded by Guccio Gucci, again in Florence, Tuscany, back in 1921. Gucci. Yes, it's a double C, but it is pronounced like CH. Gucci. Gucci. Now this one is very interesting. This guy, he's a DJ, a fashion designer, a stylist, a public relations specialist and creative director of the brand he created. Marcelo is originally from Patagonia in Argentina, not from Italy, but he's based in Milan, and that's there that he founded his label under his own name. So this one is not to be pronounced Marcello because he's not Italian, but from Argentina where they speak Spanish, so his name is in fact Marcelo. Marcelo Burlon. Marcelo Burlon. It'd be fine in English to say Marcelo Burlon. Marcelo Burlon. High-end Italian fashion house based in Varese and known for its colorful knitwear designs particularly. This company was founded by Ottavio and Rosita Missoni in 1953. Missoni. Missoni. Pretty straightforward this one. Missoni. Oh, and how about this one? Founded in 1993 by Miu Prada herself as an offshoot of Prada. Miu Miu, that's how it is to be pronounced. Miu Miu was founded in 1983 by Franco Moschino in Milan. It takes its name from the Miuccia family nickname, Miu Miu. Miu Miu. Pretty straightforward and quite cute, I like this name. Fashion house specializing in leather accessories, shoes, luggage and fragrances, it was founded in 1983 by Franco Moschino in Milan. Moschino. Do not say Moschino or Moschino, but no, simply Moschino. Moschino. Oh, and I'm sure you've been waiting for this one, specializing in leather handbags, travel accessories, shoes, ready-to-wear perfumes and other fashion accessories, and founded in 1913. Well, that's a long time ago, by Mario Prada himself. How do you go about pronouncing it? Prada. It'd be fine to say Prada, of course. Prada. Another more popular yet very famous clothing brand, this fashion designer of sportswear and a former professional tennis player, Sergio Tacchini. Sergio Tacchini. Founded in 1960 by Valentino Garavani, Valentino is headquartered in Milan, while the creative direction is in Rome. Pretty straightforward, Valentino. Valentino. And finally, a luxury fashion company and trade name founded by Gianni Versace in 1978. It produces Italian-made ready-to-wear and leather accessories, in particular Versace. Versace. But of course it'd be fine in English to say Versace. Versace. If you want to learn more on how to pronounce all of the top luxury brands from France and many luxury brands from all around the world, here are many more videos that you consider watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.